What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. Got something cool to show you today. The Kyosho Blizzard. It's coming up on that time of year, holiday season. It's gonna be snowing. You're gonna need something to plow your driveway. What's better than a track plow? What do they call these? Trail groomers. We're just gonna take a quick look at this, pop it out of the box. Got a couple little accessories to show you, or hop-ups. So yeah, we got the Kyosho Blizzard. Boom. Some of you guys probably seen this before. It's been out for actually quite a while now. This is just the newest rendition of it with the new paint scheme there. The box doesn't have a lot. It's just got basically just this one side. Show you underneath the body there, which I'll show you anyway when we open it up. And there's a couple little things there. Twin motor. Blade goes up and down. Got the tracks. She's focusing there. Got the radio, USB charger, and battery. On the back side, flip it around. We got a little thing about the hop-ups, metal tracks, so a metal piece for the plow, and the tiller, metal bogey wheels. I got a couple cool things to show you after, so we won't get too much time on the box there. We're just gonna get it right open here. I'm using my new camera today, so you gotta bear with me a little bit here. I'm gonna try to get you guys the best angle possible as long as she works with me. We'll get you over here. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's pop this puppy open. What do we got? A blizzard. It's gonna be snowing soon. You're gonna need something to plow. Why not pick one up? Comes plowed ready to go. It's easier than even putting plow on your scale truck, which we also have. I can show you, do a video about those if you guys want to see that. We got something in here. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, looks like we got a battery. That's 1800 nickel metal Dean's plug. What else we got in here? Looks like the plow. Looks like you're gonna have to put the plow on, not on the car. We're just gonna, ooh, dropping stuff. I'm gonna set that over there. The battery. What do we got this side? Nothing, just space filler. And we got manual, boom, parts list. Looks like maybe a bind plug. Good to have. Let me take it out first here. Let's pull the radio out. So that's gotta come out first. Take a look at the radio. Radio is one of the newer things that they updated. Opposed to previous models. Got a nice 2.4 radio here. Kind of cool, orange. It's all plastic. It does have metal sticks on it though. Those are kind of nice. They're threaded too, so interchangeable. It's 2.4. That's your channels, mixing and whatnot here. We got the controller, 4 AA's. Not bad. Oh, there's a back plate for it. I don't want to lose that. We'll set that aside. Nothing in there. And we got the machine. Put the box over here. Oh, there she is. Comes with the plastic tracks, plastic bogey wheels. Nice little light on top. No LED in it, but definitely there's hard case, so you could definitely put something in there. It's underneath. So this is a plastic tub. Newer models come with plastic tubs. The older ones had an aluminum tub. I'm sure you could probably still get that for this one. I don't think they changed the design. Let's see if we can get you guys a little better here. Okay. I'm gonna pull the body off here for you. Just 2 clips in the back. There you guys can see what it looks like under the hood. So we got 2 motors, one for each track, left and right. Full-size servo down in there. Battery goes in here. Speed control's under this. It's got a protective cover over it, so keeps some of the water out. So we got the motor's got a chain in here, drives the wheel on both sides. Yeah, it's pretty much it. It's a very complicated machine. So once you put that body back on there so you guys can see that. But I did have some extra for you today, not just the machine. So, I know you're all thinking, comes with plastic tracks. But the box said they got metal ones. You're right. What do we got here? Boom, metal tracks. So we have those in stock too. I'll pop those open so you guys can take a look at them. These are a pretty sweet upgrade, obviously, because they're metal and the real ones are metal. But at the same time, they actually add a decent amount of weight to the machine. Give you some extra traction. So there we go. I'm not gonna open them up too quick because I'm not putting them on right now. But it's actually rubber here, and then these are just metal cleats, I guess. So check that out. That's pretty sweet. So those are what are those going for? Those are 93 bucks. So I mean that's a pretty good upgrade. You're gonna get a lot better traction with the metal tracks opposed to the plastic ones. Comes with little instructions how to do it. But I still got some more for you. Not just the metal tracks today. Put those aside. Check those out. I think it's pretty sweet looking, huh? But I also got, upside down, sorry. The tiller. Functioning grooming tiller. So we'll pop that open for you guys. Check this thing out. What do we got? Comes with the servo, up and down, little battery pack, some other pieces. Oh, there we go here. Look at that. Instructions on how to do it, because we're gonna need to know how to do it, and it works with the existing radio, so it all works together. Check this thing out, huh? Look at that, grooming tiller. Pretty crazy. Hooks to the back of it. Little gearbox, motor, chain drive. That's pretty sweet. What else do you need? You got a plow, you got a tiller, you got metal tracks. It's perfect. It's a perfect holiday gift. Anybody. I don't think anybody wouldn't have fun doing a little plowing and grooming this season. It doesn't even have to be for the holiday. You just pick it up, have some fun in your driveway with it. Let's check that. One more look at that. Come on, guys. This thing's sick. Sweet paint job. But anyway, we got them here. Got them here at Madness. We've already had our first snowstorm here in Connecticut, so come down to the shop, check it out, pick one up. We got the accessories, you got the metal tracks. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.